Guys, Emmanuel here. So this tool is called Webflow. This is what you can use instead of Clickfunnels or Leadpages. As you can see, I already have my checkout page right here, ready set up. Web design, $1,000. I'm going to show you how I added that product and how I created all of this stuff right here. Okay, it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First, I'm going to delete everything from here. Alright, so I'm going to delete checkout form, everything blank. Okay, as you can see here, it's a checkout page. If we go here and go to home, when you open a project, this is what you're going to see. Page home. So you're going to go here and then select checkout. Now you changed your page. It's not home anymore, it's checkout. And then you're going to select right here checkout form. Look, as you can see, it's already populated. It's all here, like shipping method, payment info. You're not gonna have this since it's a digital service, but here's the whole thing. The product is already here because I had it right here already added, but I'm gonna delete it so you can see how I added it. Okay, so delete. Then, okay, we're gonna go back. $0. No product. Okay, I'm gonna go back to product, new product, web design, and then $1,000. No shipping. That's it. Create. Okay, so it's already here. Let's go back. Okay, so this is your checkout page again. Okay, if you wanna keep this, you can keep it, but I'm gonna change it. I just select it, go here, select none. Okay, alright. So next, we're gonna select a div block, put it up here. As you can see, there's a blue line right there. I'm just gonna drop it there. So this is a div block that is gonna separate the checkout form from this. Here, I'm gonna add an image so you can put your logo in there. Okay, so I want this here. What I'm gonna do is go here, select this right here, and then this one. Okay, alright. If you want another color as a background, you select the div block, go here, and pick a color. Oh, wait, I selected the wrong one. So it's background. I selected the typography. It's background right here. Okay, so it's whatever color you want. I'm gonna leave that one so we can go faster. Okay, I'm gonna add another div block right underneath this one. As you can see, there's a blue line again. Like, that's orange. As you can see, there's another div block right here. Oh wait, I don't want it. I want it underneath the blue one. Sorry. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a div block, and I'm gonna place it right underneath the blue div block. Okay, so it's there. Here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select columns right there. So it's divided, two sides right here. I'm gonna add an image again, so you can put something related to your product. I want this over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to position, then just click this little button right here. That's it. Okay. For this side, I'm gonna select heading, drag it, put it in there, done. Then I'm gonna select a paragraph, so I can add a little description. So okay, so you can see the blue line right there. There we go. It's already set up. Now I'm gonna change the background color for this. As you can see, I can select the div block. It's already selected. Now we go to backgrounds, and I'm gonna do black right there. Now I'm gonna select the checkout form. If you're wondering how that appeared right there, you can just click anywhere. Everything, pretty much everything is inside of the checkout form, so you can just click it there. It's white right now. I'm going to change it to black as well. Alright, so everything's black. Let's continue with the format of the heading. We can just select heading right there. Go to typography. Select the color that you want. I'm going to pick the blue color right here. So you can write down there special hat, just like that, or what design, whatever you want there. Okay, so I'm gonna paste the text that I want there. Okay, so we're gonna format this one. Select paragraph. Go to font. I'm gonna select impact, and I'm gonna do a 20 for the size of the font, and then I'm gonna do 25 for the height. Alright, as you can see, it looks a little bit better. For the color, I'm gonna go with white. And if you want another color inside of this paragraph right here, you can select the part that you want with another color. Hit this button right here, wrap with span, right? Then right click text span, add class, and what you're doing is just like kind of separating this from the other stuff, from the other, like reserve your insert product name right now, and then you're gonna separate for only XX. Alright, so you're gonna name it only or whatever you want. It's just separating it. After that, you can go to color and select any color you want. I'm gonna select this one, and there, it's done. Okay, so you already have your checkout page. I can actually transfer you, just like Clickfunnels, I can transfer you this directly to your dashboard. So it's that easy. As you can see, everything is ready. You can place your order. This is like, it depends. If you pay annually, it's $16 per month. And if you pay monthly, it's $20 per month. It's really good. It's a really good alternative. It's very simple. They have a university. It's called Webflow University, and they have like a lot of tutorials on everything you can think of. For the payment gateway, if you're wondering how you can add Stripe to this, like integrated, they have pretty clear instructions right here. As you can see, Webflow University, how to connect Stripe or PayPal. Like in the designer, you can do it right from the designer where we were. We can go here. Oh, actually, it's this one, settings, e-commerce. I have not put anything in for the information of the business, so you can just fill it out. Since it's an example, there's nothing there. You can hit continue, and you can like continue with the instruction they give you there. It's right here from the editor. I mean, it's pretty simple. They have frequently asked questions. This is how the dashboard looks like for your website. Hosting, editor, billing, SEO. I mean, there's everything here. It's pretty simple. It's a really great tool. Also, as you can see, there is some mobile option here, tablet, landscape. You can edit it all right here. Like if you create this one, you can go here. You can see that it's mobile responsive as well. All right, here it is. It also separates like the kind of phone you're using. iPhone, iPhone 11 Pro Max, Kindle Fire. It's all mobile responsive. Guys, so that was it. If you want this, please reach out to me. I'm gonna like if you create an account, I'll send it over to you. It's just like Clickfunnels. I just can send the whole thing to you just like this, so you can edit it with your own logo and everything. If you found this helpful and valuable, the only thing I'm asking for, it's that you sign up with my affiliate link. It's gonna be in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you in another video. Thanks.